This beautiful home at 10 for Arbor Woods Lane comes with a rare 2.87% assumable loan, offering incredible savings compared to today's rate. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright entryway that opens to the kitchen and living room, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Just past the kitchen is the convenient first-floor laundry and spacious owner's suite, featuring a stunning bathroom with a walk-in closet and dual vanities. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms, a large bonus room, and a full bath with dual sinks. One of the bedrooms even includes a unique extra room, perfect for a play area or home office. Outside, enjoy a screened-in porch and nearly half an acre on a corner lot. Plenty of space to relax, play, or entertain. This home truly offers comfort, style, and unbeatable value with that 2.87% assumable mortgage. Schedule your tour today.